How to track check orders in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you wondering where your new checks are? Well, here is how to track your check orders online with Regions Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to go to accounts and select the checking account your order checks for. And after that, you simply have to click check services or order checks to view your recent orders. And after that, you simply have to select the order you want to track and you will see the status like processing, shipped or delivered. And some orders include a tracking number which you can use to check shipping updates with carrier. And that's it. Now you know how to track your Regions Bank checks order online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.